If you're a foreigner staying in Thailand on a long-term visa, you're probably familiar with the 90-day reporting requirement. But what happens if you miss the deadline? Can you simply report late, or will you face serious consequences? In this video, we'll explain the 90-day report deadline, time frame, and most importantly, what happens if you fail to report on time. We'll also walk you through the steps to fix the situation if you miss the deadline so you can avoid penalties and legal trouble. I'm Pear from Siam Legal. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how to comply with Thai immigration rules and what to do if you miss a 90-day report deadline. Let's get started. If you are a foreigner staying in Thailand on a long-term visa, you must submit a 90-day report to Thai immigration. This requirement ensures that authorities have an up-to-date record of your current address while you remain in the country. The process is simple but mandatory. You must report your address to immigration every 90 days, either online, by mail, or in person at your local immigration office. If you leave Thailand and return, the 90-day count resets, but you must file a new report after another 90 days of continuous stay. If this requirement is not met, it can result in fines or even more serious consequences. That's why you need to know the deadlines and how to stay compliant. To comply with Thai immigration rules, you must submit your 90-day report within a specific time frame. You can file your report 15 days before your due date or up to 7 days after without penalty. The deadline depends on the method you choose to report. If you use the online option, you must submit your report between 15 days before and up to 7 days after your due date. However, online applications can sometimes be delayed or rejected, so filing early is best. You also can utilize the online option until you have done a 90-day in-person report. If you're mailing your report, it must reach immigration at least 15 days before the deadline. If it arrives late, you may have to report in person and pay a fine. Similarly to the online option, you can't mail in your report until you have done one in person and received a confirmation slip. You can visit your local immigration office or empower a visa agent to go on your behalf anytime within the 15-day window before your deadline or up to 7 days after. If you miss this grace period, you will be fined and could face further complications, which we will cover next. Missing the 90-day report deadline has consequences. If you fail to report on time, you will be fined 2,000 Thai baht immediately. However, if immigration catches you before you report yourself, such as during a random check, the fine increases to 5,000 Thai baht. The longer you wait, the more serious the consequences. Repeated failures to report can lead to heavier penalties, problems with visa renewals, or even being flagged by immigration. Ignoring the fine or trying to leave Thailand without resolving the issue can also cause significant problems. You may face additional fines or be denied re-entry if caught at the airport. If you miss the deadline, don't panic. We'll explain exactly what you need to do to fix the situation next. If you miss your 90-day report deadline, the first step is to take action as soon as possible to minimize the consequences. What you need to do depends on how long it has been since your deadline passed. If it has been less than 7 days, you can still report in person at your local immigration office. As explained earlier, this is within the grace period and no further penalties will be applied. If it has been more than 7 days, you must go to immigration in person, explain your situation, pay the fine, and complete your overdue report. If you handle it voluntarily, you won't face any consequences beyond the fine. One important thing to remember is that you should not attempt to leave Thailand without paying your fine. If you try to exit the country without resolving your missed report, immigration may flag you for non-compliance. This could lead to further fines, issues with future visa applications, or even denial of re-entry into Thailand. If your situation is unclear or requires extra attention, our experienced immigration lawyers can help. Our team will guide you through the process to ensure the issue is handled correctly and prevent further complications. Foreigners on long-term visas must follow Thailand's 90-day reporting system. Missing the deadline can result in fines, and if ignored, it could cause bigger immigration problems. However, if you act quickly, you can fix the issue without major trouble. If you need assistance with 90-day reporting, visa renewals, or any other immigration matters, Siam Legal is here to help. Our experienced legal team can guide you through the process and ensure everything is handled correctly. Our expert agents can also do the 90-day report on your behalf have, giving you the certainty of an in-person report without the hassle. For more information or to book a consultation, contact us through the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.